I'm a Tesla-naire, baby. I'm a Tesla-naire, baby. I'm a Tesla-naire, baby. Feel good. Yo, what's crack-a-lackin', y'all? I'm back again with another video. Feel good investing, of course. And I want to point out a stock that I came across last week, but I didn't have the opportunity to buy because I found out about it Friday, and that was New Year's Day. So I want to talk about the ticker symbol OIIM, which is a semiconductor company. And they've been on a bull run for the past 2 months. As you see on the chart right here, it spiked up and it kept going up, consolidated, another spike, and seems like it might be another consolidation period, in the future. But even though it has a high RSI of 67 points, we don't never want to invest in a company when it's almost close to the 70-point line. Even though the MACD is on a upward trend, I still think this is a good time to invest. But if you want to wait for a pullback, I would do so. But me, I think this is a good company. This is a solid company just for the information that I'm about to present to you. First off, let's check out what recently happened. By the way, I'm using Benzinga Pro for all of my news coverage. It says OIIM, a global leader in design, development, and marketing of high-performance integrated circuits and solutions, today announced a grant of a patent for a system and method for controlling battery currents. O2 Micro was issued 25 claims under U.S. patent for the invention of a system and method for controlling battery current. This is pretty, I wouldn't say this is a big deal, but this is pretty cool. It's something that's much so needed, and I see why the price spiked up recently and it's been on a bull trend recently. Just for the fact that the direction where the world is going to. We got electrical cars that's booming right now. Everyone is talking about electrical vehicles, investing in Tesla and Neo and Lee Xpeng, all of those, and electrical scooters. Everything is going green and electrical. So this company created a way to basically prolong battery life. Now, how many times you got mad because your smartphone kept dying quickly after it's just been on the charger for all day? So no matter how much Apple say that this battery is better than the last one, all those batteries might be depleting after the first 6 months to a year. So hopefully with this patent technology that OIIM presented, hopefully their battery life can see longer days. So that being said, let's check out their financials. Now I'm on MVIS, my favorite screener. And this chart, this is a weekly chart, and you see how it's just been on a bull case ever since basically April. It was a penny stock in April. It got its first spike between what's that? It probably been May or late March. And it's just been going up right here. And even on the weekly RSI, it's overbought. And it's been overbought for the past couple of months. So that's why I'm saying I don't really care about the overbought portion of this, because it got a potential to go up even more. So even though earnings per year was a negative 300%, they expecting this year to be 82%, which is not bad, especially for a company that's just spiked up recently and they got new patents behind it and so on. Performance week 9%, performance month 44%, performance quarter 166 half year. So I mean, it's doing numbers. I see why it's spiking up. It's kind of like, since it's been a penny stock for so long, it hasn't received a recent upgrade by your investment companies. But this whole right column is in the green. It's 800% above its 52-week low. Like I said, the daily RSI was 67 on the Webull chart I was just on. And by the way, link in the description. If you need a new brokerage, sign up with the link. We all can get some free money once you deposit $100. And we all like money. Gross margin is 52%. And like I said, this is a pretty solid company, I think. You know, if you familiar, if you caught the MVIS ticker symbol MVIS, I had a option contract with that company. I cashed out $1,100 because I got in when it was like $2 and it skyrocketed to $9, but now it's probably like around $6, I think. So OIIM, I think it's a good stock to add to your portfolio. You know, sit on it, 6 months, a year, see what it do. Once it gets to a profitable part in your portfolio, man, sell it or do whatever with it. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do or what to invest in. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing and my suggestion, But yeah, this is a good company, I think. And just always remember what the direction that the economy and the world is going to. Everybody is going green, and with that, semiconductors are a major sector. It's a hot sector right now. But if you choose to invest in this company, just do me this favor. Feel good while you investing, and I'm out.